Mastering the art of falling intonation in English statements. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today's video is all about falling intonation in English statements. Intonation is the melody or rhythm of our speech. It plays an essential role in conveying our emotions, attitudes, and intentions. A specific kind of intonation we use in English is the falling intonation, especially when we are making statements. Falling intonation means the pitch of our voice falls, or goes down, at the end of our sentences. We use falling intonation in English mainly for complete thoughts, statements, or to show finality. Here is an example. I am going to the store. In this sentence, our voice tends to fall at the end when we say, store. Why does falling intonation matter? Well, it's all about clarity and understanding. When we use falling intonation in our statements, it signals to the listener that we've finished our thought. It's like a verbal period at the end of a sentence. Imagine we're telling a friend about our day. I went to work. Then I came home and cooked dinner. Each of those sentences would likely end with a falling intonation, signaling the end of that part of our story. The best way to master falling intonation is through practice. Try saying these sentences aloud, making sure your voice falls at the end. 1. I'm really excited about the trip. 2. She has decided to move to New York. 3. It was a beautiful day at the beach. Practice these sentences until you feel comfortable with the falling intonation. Mastering the art of falling intonation in English statements can significantly improve your communication skills. Remember, it's all about practice. Keep speaking, keep listening, and you'll notice your intonation improving day by day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to practice your falling intonation, and I'll see you in our next lesson.